Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so we're going to be making eggless, gluten-free brownies. So let's get started. So here I have a half cup of coconut oil. Now you can use between half cup to a cup and a half of sugar. I'm only going to be using half cup of sugar. You can use up to a cup and a half. So I'm just going to combine the sugar and the oil in the meantime. Okay, so to this I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Alright, and to this I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of coconut milk. You could use whatever milk you prefer to use. Right, so now I'm going to sift in my gluten-free flour. This is 1 cup of gluten-free flour, and I have here half cup of, so you can use between half cup to 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. I am using a half cup. You can use more if you wish. I'm just sifting it. And here I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to add that as well to sift. So let's just break up these pieces now. Okay, nice. I'm also going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt. Okay. And instead of using chocolate chips, what I did is I cut up some dark chocolate. This is 70%, and that's what I'm going to be adding to it. So let me mix these things first, and then I will add my dark chocolate. Alright, I think I'm going to probably add a little more milk to this. I want this to be a little more moist. So I'm going to add a little more coconut milk to my own. Alright, and at this point I'm going to fold in my chocolate. So let's just combine everything together. I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so here we have our brownie dough. I will add still a little more milk to this. If we did use eggs, that would have helped add some extra moisture, but we're not using eggs, so I'm just going to compensate with my coconut milk. Alright, so this looks nice and moist. Now I'm going to add this to my pan. What I did is I put some parchment paper down because it always makes it easy to clean up. Alright, so let's get our pan here. Alright, so let's add our brownie mix to our pan. this pan is kind of big for the amount of brownie that I'm doing. I need to get a smaller pan when I'm making my brownies. Okay, so we're going to put this to bake for about half an hour.